Check out shares of Costco. They've had a strong year, up 27%. The retailer reports earnings tomorrow. Our next guest is calling for a big box breakout. Back for another fire fast pitch is Kate Faddis, founder and CEO of Grace Capital. Kate, welcome back. Take it away.
Thank you, Mel. Thank you, everyone. I am a big fan of Costco. I think what people don't understand about Costco is that it's not a traditional retailer. It doesn't make money from its products. It makes its money from the fees that it charges, the membership fees. Amazon is not a threat for Costco. It can coexist with Amazon. In fact, half of Costco's members also have memberships with Amazon Prime. The warehouse format is a huge advantage for Costco. In addition to the fact that it actually doesn't have to make money like other grocery stores. Wider aisles, higher ceilings in a COVID world is perfect for social distancing. Last thing, the ESG story is great. They've honored all their commitments to their vendors despite COVID. And the valuation, believe it or not, Costco has lagged the retail ETF this year. So there's room to grow in the stock price.
Tim, you have a question for Kate?
Hey, Kate, it's Tim. I do. It's great to have you on again. And I'm a believer in this big box space right now, but you're not concerned about Amazon. How about Walmart, who also now has Walmart Plus and is playing in the space, and I think can dominate on price more than anyone. Are you concerned there?
Walmart and Costco, I think together have been such a great boon for America. They have kept prices down. How they do it, I don't understand, but they're really disciplined. They both have done a great job of keeping prices down for everyone. Costco can coexist with Walmart, and it has for years.
All right, Kate, we're going to vote. Thanks for joining us. Good to see you. Catherine Faddis of Grace Capital. All right, so are you buying Kate's pitch on Costco? Guy, what do you say? You're a bulk kind of guy.
Mel, are you able to read my smart board, Mel? Can you read that for the audience, please?
It says, I believe, faster than lightning, no one you see is smarter than he.
Yes, that is correct. That's what it says. And I know Pete Nigerian knows what that is because he mentioned the dolphins flying in the background. And, of course, that's the theme song of Flipper, one of my favorite shows. And I just love the fact that Kate is power pitching Costco ahead of earnings tomorrow. That takes huevos. Good for her. I've liked it for a while. I continue to like it. Yes.
I'm not amazed, actually, that you know the words to the Flipper theme song. Let's go to Pete. Pete, what do you say?
Well, I don't have my board with me, Mel, but I will tell you this. I love the pitch, and I think it is, to Guy's point, a very gutsy pitch going into the numbers tomorrow. But the membership model is something that absolutely makes total sense. My only concern is, have they pulled so much forward? Have they had the advantage that they've had for a while now to bring this stock to where it is right now in terms of a PE? That's my one concern. But I love the name, and I do think that they continue to have some strength and work with the Walmarts of the world and the Targets of the world and some of the big boxes. So I do think there's more upside.
All right. So you're on board with Kate as well. Tim, what do you say?
I'm on board, yes.
It's clear Guy bought a extra large size of poetry books at Costco. I'm a buyer here. There's a re-rating going on in this space between the leaders, and I think they're getting a multiple that's not only a leader of the pack multiple, but somewhat of a digital multiple. I'm a buyer. All
right, Steve.
Clean sweep. And I think that Kate nailed it when she talked about the renewal rates. Costco is an annuity. So that membership fee is just what she said. It's an annuity, and the renewal rates are above 90%. The stock technically has been bouncing off its 50-day moving average. So I would be a little more frightened because usually when they report, the stock does come in, but it's trading right around its 50-day moving average. I think it can pop from this area, so I like it. Buy.
So this is a rare occurrence. The desk has agreed. They like Kate's fast pitch on Costco.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.